Hi, today for this 5-minute soundbite, I'd like to introduce you to Scribe, a Chrome extension. How would you like to be able to create step-by-step directions easily on your computer? This is what your product could be. Notice, here's the steps. Step 1, navigate to your course. 2, select tools. Select groups. So you'll see how it gives a highlighted area of each time where you're supposed to click. Let's see how you can make these. We're going to go to our Chrome web store. Inside the search, we'll type Scribe, and we'll find this one with the little kind of coral colored stripes. This is for documentation, standard operating procedures, and screenshots. You'll click Add to Chrome. Then you'll be able to have it available up here in this bar for you if you don't see it there, and you'll need to be able to sign in for Scribe. But we'll click this extension and you'll see how there are choices here. We can click the little thumbtack next to it if we want it to show up on our bar here. After you've signed into Scribe, then you can use it to create something. So we are going to look at just basic Google Slides here. We're going to click on Scribe and we're going to click Start Recording. You'll notice a pink and purple dot that shows up and in the bottom corner, and now it's going to record my clicks. It doesn't record my voice, but I'm going to talk you through what I'm doing anyway, so that you know what I'm doing. We're going to click Insert, we're going to click Image, and we're going to click Search the Web. On the side, we'll type in cat. We'll find a cat picture. This one looks interesting with 2 different colored eyeballs. We'll click the cat and we'll click Insert. And then we'll be able to see the picture inside of our creation. Then we say that's it, because this is just a very simple one. How do you add an image? It will pop up on the side. It automatically has this name. You can change it to Google Slides, add an image. Then navigate to, we don't really want them to have to go to our presentation, so we can just say to Google Slides. So I can edit any of these steps that I need to clarify it. Click Insert, click Image, and it says click here. We're going to say Image, and then it says click Search the Web. Click in this text field, type cat, and hit Enter. Click here. We can add that, say, on the image you want. Click Insert. I like how the screen kind of moves so that it shows just kind of really what it needs to. And click Insert, and then it puts the cat into the page. We could add that little direction here. And the image of the cat will be inserted into your slide. The best part is now we can choose how we're going to share it. We can copy the link to be able to share the link. We can share it to certain people. We can embed it into our D2L page, and we could even export it as a PDF for free. If you decided to go further and upgrade yourself, then you have other choices. But the PDF seems to work just fine for me. And in fact, the PDF, that is what I used here. This is the PDF. So I hope that you have enjoyed Scribe today, and that this will help you in any step-by-step directions that you need to create. Take care.